Welcome or welcome back to my little creative corner of the internet. And welcome to another Junk Journal July 2025 video. Let's grab your junk journal and dive into this creative session with me. For day number 5, we have our prompt, which is opening. So let's have a good cup of coffee and our journals ready and dive into some creative fun by making a collage for this prompt. Like always, I have to first figure out which page would be the right one for this prompt, and here I really did struggle a bit because I had to keep in mind that we will need the page and the page beneath there, and here I decided to use this one, which has the writing from the old book, and on the back side there is the magazine with the girl, because I really wanted to make the prompt today, so the opening inside the page, so that the page would have like a hole, so you would see through whatever is beneath there, and I really wanted to make it fit the vibes. So I decided to use this summary fashion shoot page beneath here as my pages for today, and here I'm just ripping in the page in the middle and fold over the other part to create the hole and the opening where we will look through the page. And then I found these beautiful stickers where the stamp is kind of the perfect color from the sky, so I decided to include that. And now I'm getting out some washi tape and bits and bobs to create a little collage around the opening. Now let's use some scrapped paper to add a little quote to the page. I'm always, when in doubt and my pages feel a bit empty, I like to include a quote or a saying or just some words which come to mind, and here I decided to even more incorporate the light blue because it's such a pretty color, and I really love the combination of the light blue and the red and the yellow from the yellowed old pages. I think that fits so well together. It's such a lovely color combination. Having to decide if I want to include the mushroom sticker there, or I decided to first put up some more of those postcard stamps stickers, or it's the washi tape, but when I cut out the stamp exclusively, I feel like it's like little sticker stamps in a way. And I thought they would fit the summery vibes of the spread really well, because I don't know, the color combination really makes me think of holidays and traveling or something. But this will be a prompt for in a few days. Now let's add some more writing to the page. And here I like to mix match the fonts that I use to write my quote to even add more interest to the spread. Now, this is the final look at today's spread. I'm really happy with how this turned out. I feel like those are the perfect summer vibes in a way, and it really feels like holiday and free time and relaxing in a way. So, I hope you enjoyed today's creative session and you had some fun creating alongside with me. If you enjoyed the video, a thumbs up would make me really happy, and if you want to join me on this creative adventure and many more creative adventures to come, hit the subscribe button down below. Happy creating!